Going to do some cleaning outside the balcony because of the pigeons I always see. Let me show you. This is what the pigeons are doing here all the time. So we're coming to clean. There's the brush. Disgusting. Disgusting.
Oh, he was nice. Was here.
No, I don't know about them
I
here.
found it comfortable.
They deserve to relocate.
I don't even know why they have to find it comfortable.
This is the before. After sweeping the whole floor, gathering the whole mess, pigeon mess, so we decided to mop the whole place, mop the door, skirting, the whole balcony was a mess, so cleaned it up, mop it. We did that over and over and over again, changed the water and kept on going until everything was really clean. Yeah, after the whole cleaning, this is all the place looks like now. Way better than it was before, as you can see. After we finish with the floor, change the water, wash off the clothes, all clean, then we continue with the walls and the balcony door. Wipe everything down, all clean, because everyone was just so dusty, because we haven't been sitting out on the balcony for such a long time, because the pigeons, every time we clean it, before 2 or 3 days later you come back, everything is a mess, like, you know. But anyway, we're just gonna keep monitoring them and see, like, they've been such nuisance, these pigeons. Now everywhere is clean, but the floor and the walls and the doors, everywhere, we wiped everything down. Yeah, everywhere is nice and clean. Now we move on to the second task of the day, to install the fly curtain, just to keep the flies or insects away during summer. We've always had these at the balcony doors and the windows as well, but this one of Southeast Purple, we've had it for such a long time, so we decided to change to a new one. This one is for the windows, and they come with 2 rolls of velcro tape. This is what it looks like. It's got a zip at the bottom, which makes it really easy, because otherwise the old one we used to have, there was no zip. When you want to open the window, you have to peel off a bit of the sticky from the velcro in order to open the window or close it. But this one has a zip. Once you install it, it's there. If you want to open or close the window, just unzip, open the window, and then close back the zip. Leave the window open, nothing, no fly is gonna come in. Now this other one is for the door. So we did measure the door. The balcony door is quite wide, so we decided to get 2 of these. They're quite long, the height, but it's not as wide as we thought it was. But then, you know, we got 2 of it. We're gonna fix it on the doors. Yeah, it's got a zip as well, that's why we got it, because the first one there was no zip, so flies could easily slip through the holes, the gaps. So this one is different. I'm just taking off the old one now, the old fly door curtain rather, taking it off and fixing the new one. All you have to do is very easy. The velcro tape, you just have to run it all the way down where you want to fix it, from the side of the door and on top as well, and just attach the mesh curtain on it. It's really simple and easy. As you can see, I've already done that. I've already taped it up with the velcro tape and on the side as well. Yeah, I'm just gonna fold the bottom because it's a bit longer than the door, so I'm just gonna fold it, and then I'm gonna put a velcro tape right at the bottom and then fold it up just for it to hold it. And then I decided to add more velcro tape on the side. We left the old ones there, they are quite strong, so then we're gonna put the velcro tape in between those gaps so that flies will not be able to slip through those gaps. And another thing, because we got 2, so we have to attach them together, because if we don't, then the flies might easily come through there. So we use the velcro tape and attach the 2 together to expand it so it goes all the way. That's exactly what I'm doing right now, because otherwise if you leave the opening, they can find their way inside the house. It's all done, all fixed. That's the zip opening for you to come out or come in. There's a zip which is really handy, very easy. You just open up the zip, go out, and you can zip it from outside as well. It's not like when you open it from the inside you're thinking, oh, can somebody zip me? You open it, go out, and then you can zip it back up from the outside. It works both from inside and outside. Yeah, very handy. As you can see, there are no gaps or opening for any insect or fly to come in, so it's all sealed up. As long as you keep the zip locked whenever you're in or out, nothing is gonna be able to come in. Thank you guys for watching. Today we've come to the end of this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment for more videos. Thank you. Bye.